Hi, today I'm going to tell you a bit about my AFOs. AFO stands for ankle foot orthotics. Because of my Friedrich's ataxia, my feet roll inwards and that's why I wear AFOs on my legs, and I will be showing what the AFOs, what they support my ankles and my feet to help me to my stand transfers. Right from the standing frame, and this is how I do it safely, by getting my feet on the standing frame and safely putting my hand on to pull me forward and putting the belt on to give me a little bit of support so I don't fall. So now, fade me out, Scotty. And I go up to a full stand, and now I'm able to wheel wherever I'm going and back into my chair safely. And down again. And now I get the belt removed. The standing hoist removed. I'm able to push my cuff in, but I can't do any standing or walking or anything like that. So that's all. My reason for wearing AFOs, because of my Friedrich's ataxia, my feet are rolling inwards, so my feet are rolling inwards, so the sole of my foot is to the side, and I'm standing on the outside of my ankles, so the AFOs are supporting me to make it possible for me to do my stand transferring. Because of my older sister, I was able to see her feet turn that bad that she could not do any more stand transferring, so her feet were on the side of her, on the inside, so by weight bearing I am able to stay in my AFOs. By weight bearing most days and getting Botox injections, which is shown in one of my videos, it's keeping me in the AFOs. I wear AFOs all day from the morning time they get put on after the shower until I go to bed for night time, where I'm able to take them off and let my feet relax and get some air, breathe, air circulating around them. The downside of wearing AFOs is in the hot weather, of course. Your feet get really hot and itchy and swollen. That's why I have to wear compression socks to stop the swelling of the feet and the legs. Another downside is I can't wear nice women's shoes. I have to wear men's shoes because they've got the wider feet for the wide AFOs. These are a great benefit in my life because without these, I don't know where I'd be. I rely on them every day. I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to wear these and benefit from them. So I try not to look too far into the future. I've got to be happy with them. Thanks everyone for watching my video, and please subscribe and like.